Hello, this is Jalen Cook with my last assignment regarding my biggest challenge. I think as we reflect on what this class looks like and what distance learning is pushing us towards in our actual school district, my challenge in the future is getting teachers on board with understanding the value of technology in their instruction. So they're all bought in right now because they have to be. But how can I make them understand the importance of staying that way? How can I continue to get teachers to see the benefit of staying up to date with technology and not just using it for the sake of using technology, but for actually incorporating it into their classrooms for a purpose? So, right now, our administration has been talking and is very excited about the years to come because we see that the kids are ready for it, but the teachers weren't. And I think that in the future we have to be prepared if something like this happens again. The kids adjusted pretty well, but the staff, although they try to adjust well, it's just we were all learning on the fly and they didn't have a lot of experience. So I think the administration does have a goal of continuing to, get us all on the same page in regards to technology and um, just continuing to not really force teachers to use technology, but definitely getting them to incorporate the technology into their classrooms. So, as a technology coach within the district, even though that's not actually my role, but that is a role I'm kind of filling right now temporarily. I have to continue to see how can I actually inspire teachers to get on board with trainings and actually buy into what is being taught. The standards that go along with exactly what I've been talking about are the ISTA standards for coaches. 1A, create a shared vision and culture for using technology to learn and accelerate transformation through the coaching process. That vision that we adopt in our school has to be the same. And I think it starts with whoever's leading the technology training. They have to understand where everyone is at and the amount of knowledge that we have and set a realistic goal for what we can accomplish. 3D, personalized support for educators by planning and modeling the effective use of technology to improve student learning. So, what that looks like to me is that some teachers are really taking this and running with it, and others are still struggling a little bit. And I think that those teachers have to be individualized as far as their training goes, just a little. So, put them in groups or something to that effect to where they actually can use the knowledge that they have and build on the knowledge that they have, and the other teachers aren't bored. And that goes right into 5C, which is evaluate the impact of professional learning and continually make improvements in order to meet the school-wide vision for using technology for high impact teaching and learning. So continually, monitoring the professional learning would be monitoring their progress and creating support specifically for educators based on their level, not just dumbing it down enough to where everybody can get it, but actually meeting them where they are and continuing to make it exciting and innovative for them. So I definitely think that one of the biggest challenges, just going back and recapping, is just getting teachers to see the importance of what we accomplished this year and to see not only what we accomplished, but what our kids learn from it. Um, so many colleges are going to distance learning and you're able to take online college classes. And I think that just allowing our kids to use the platforms that they have through this shutdown has definitely been eye-opening for high school and middle school teachers, and just allows us to have another opportunity to reach kids where they are and just provide extra resources using technology to deepen our understanding. So I hope that you guys have enjoyed this program as much as I have. And I'm just so thankful that we were finishing up the program as all of this happened, and that we were able to help our school districts and our teachers and students. And I know that as I presented and closed and reflected, I definitely was just so grateful for the knowledge that I had and that I was able to lead my district. So thank you, staff members and fellow community of teachers, because without you guys, all of this wouldn't be possible.